Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this chocolate cake. It's gluten-free, dairy-free, egg-free, and nut-free. I made up this recipe myself and it came out amazing. You will not believe it's that good, and it's gluten, dairy, egg, and nut-free. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then in a medium-sized bowl, add the gluten-free flour, sugar, dark brown sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined. Set aside the dry ingredients, and then in a larger bowl, add the canola oil, applesauce, coconut milk, apple cider vinegar, or you can use white vinegar, and vanilla extract, and whisk them together until they're combined. Add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and mix them together until they're combined. Pour the batter into a greased 9x13-inch baking pan and bake it in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once done, remove it from the oven and set it aside to cool completely. To make the frosting, add the vegetable shortening into a large bowl and beat it with an electric mixer for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then add in the cocoa powder and mix it in too. Then add in half of the powdered sugar and mix it on low speed to combine it. Then add in 2 tablespoons of the coconut cream and mix it in too. Add in the rest of the powdered sugar, mix it until it's combined, and then the rest of the coconut cream and beat it until it's combined. And now the longer you beat this for, the lighter and creamier the frosting will get. Then add in the vanilla extract and mix it in. Once the cake is cooled completely, frost the cake in the frosting. And that's how to make chocolate cake that's gluten-free, dairy-free, egg-free, and nut-free. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.